Roblox is just about inescapable if you have a child of a certain age, but worries about screen time aside, the game is now the focus of a whole other set of worries for parents, as some are now suing after some real-world scares. Lori Tucker brought in WATE legal analyst Greg Isaacs to understand these cases.
Greg, thank you for offering up some insight here.
Lori, it's good to be here.
You know, Roblox serves as a connection point for millions of people online, a lot of kids too. And in this case, a 13-year-old connected with someone who's now accused of kidnapping and raping her. Her family argues Roblox should have done more to protect children from predators. What's your take on this?
Well, Roblox is a national phenomenon and it attracts children. Basically, you go in and you create an anime out of Lego-esque blocks. Then you can engage in gaming, videos, and Lori chats. And therein lies the problem. On a given day, there are 118 million participants, 6.1 billion chats. The Attorney General of Kentucky just filed a lawsuit where he alleges that 2/3 of all individuals under the age of 18, children, have been or are on Roblox.
That is amazing. And let's talk more about Kentucky's Attorney General who filed that lawsuit, calling it a preliminary grooming environment for predators. Can the courts and or lawmakers put a stop to this?
Well, it'll be interesting because they should. And Tennessee, unfortunately, is the poster child to show how bad this gaming app has gotten. They literally have no controls. You go in and you can sign up as a child, 5 years and up, but there's no verification when you put in your birth date. So you can be 13 talking to a 37-year-old man, just as we saw in this case, pretending to be another child. Let's talk about what happened. In this case, a 13-year-old girl from Iowa was targeted and groomed by a 37-year-old from Jefferson County, Tennessee. He bought her gifts, engaged in extensive conversations, told her he loved her, lured her to go off the app, lured her out of her parents' home, drove to Iowa, kidnapped the 13-year-old from her grandmother's house, took her to Jefferson County, Tennessee, where she was allegedly raped for days.
And she was able to get out of there, thankfully.
And thankfully she escaped and knocked on a neighbor, a Good Samaritan's door. Subsequently, the Jefferson County Police responded. The 37-year-old pedophile has been arrested, is in a jail cell just up the road. Parents have responded with a lawsuit against Roblox. Excellent prosecutors in Jefferson County. But Lori, a horrific story that should have never happened. So what you're seeing is sites that are used to groom, exploit young people. So parents need to be really vigilant when you see a child on these sites.
You can watch what they're doing. There are ways to do that. Check it if your child's on Roblox. You can actually link your account to theirs.
Well, think about this. Would you let your 13-year-old go and have chats with strangers at Westtown Mall?
Right.
Drop them off at a playground full of pedophiles? Absolutely not. And just because it's the metaverse doesn't mean it's all right. Yeah. But unfortunately, a horrific story in Tennessee. But changes need to be made in a big way.
All right, Greg, thank you.
And if you have a legal question, send it to AskIsaacs@WAT.com. Remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on Channel 6. And for a deeper conversation, you can watch right now on WATE 6+.